blue, yellow, green, red, orange, pink, brown. Hey guys, Essie here. In today's episode, we are going to have fun with colors. Are you ready? Let's start with color blue. Inside, what do we have? Awesome! Look who's here. We have Jerome from Superwings. And right now, he is a robot. Let's transform him into a plane. Jerome, transform. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome! Jerome is now a plane. Watch out! Over here, we also have somebody who is color blue. This is Sadness from the movie Inside Out. Another one we got is Stitch. This is a Tsum Tsum version of him. Super cute. We also got somebody who loves to swim. This is Dory.
Well, hello there. My name is Dory, but I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go. I think I'm supposed to go there. Bye.
Looks like we have another toy here. Ooh, this one also has color blue in it. We have one of our Superwings, and this is Paul. Right now also, he is a robot.
Transform.
Alright, Paul, let's do that. Let's put this here. This one down. Ta-da! Now he is a plane. Next up, let's get color brown. And inside. Okay, first one we got is somebody who can also fly. This is one of our dinosaurs, and it is a pterodactyl. Check out how long and big the wings are. It's almost as long as its body, right? Here's another brown toy. We have Tuyc from the movie The Secret Life of Pets. Here's another one. Whoa! We have one of our Superwings. This one is Bello. Okay, Bello, transform. 1, 2, 3, and he is ready. What else is in here? Awesome! We have the funny Mater from the movie Cars. And our final brown toy over here is Cogsworth. He is from the movie Beauty and the Beast. Next color we got is color yellow. What could be inside? What? Oh, there you go. Looks like we got a Shopkin over here. This one is a yellow party hat. There is also Princess Amber, and she is wearing a glittery yellow ball gown. Whoa, that is so pretty. We also got a Superwings character that's yellow. This is Donnie. Donnie looks super cool as a robot. Let's go ahead and transform him. Let's put this down. Let's put this up. Just like that. Now he is ready to fly. There is also a pair of some cute bun bun slippers in yellow. And finally, we have a My Little Pony pony. This is Fluttershy. She has pink hair, but her body is color yellow. Okay, it's time for pink. That's right, color pink. Let's pour it all out. There you go. Ooh, I already see one of my favorite ponies. This is Pinkie Pie with her pink hair, tail, and body.
Woohoo! It's time for some pinky party. Woohoo!
We also have a glittery puppy house Shopkin. That's pink, of course. Here's another Shopkin. It's a bowl full of dog food. Plus, it's glittery too. Ooh. Here's Minnie Mouse.
Well, hello there. I'm Minnie Mouse.
Not only that, we also have our pup who also wears pink. This is Sky. And check this out. Whoa! She has her little pup pack that will allow her to fly.
Let's take it to the sky.
Here's another one that also can fly. We have Dizzy. Super cool, isn't it? Okay, Dizzy, let's transform you to a helicopter. Let's get your tail over here at the back and put the feet up. Ta-da! Next color we got is color orange. Orange. Inside, lots of orange toys. One that got away is our Labrador who wears an orange outfit. And, ooh, looks like we have a microlight. This is Zuma. Zuma loves the water. Here's another one who also loves the water. We have Nemo. And this is a Nasham. Check this out. Boink, boink, boink. Work. Work. Boink, 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 boink. Here's somebody who is super tough. We have Kion from the show The Lion Guard. Ooh, I see another one there. This is Marlin, Nemo's dad. Whoa, look who's slowly flying in here. We have one of our Superwings characters again. This is Grand Albert. So right now, Grand Albert is a cool looking robot. Let's transform him into a plane. Let's put this down. And this up. Ta-da! Ready to fly, Grand Albert. Next color is color green. Whoa! Inside we have the Incredible Hulk. Check out those muscles. Uh-oh.
Hulk smash!
Here's another green superhero we got. This is Green Arrow. That's an awesome outfit, isn't it? There is also a Triceratops. Triceratops are actually plant eaters. They're vegetarians. Another green toy we got is Sarge. Sarge is a tough car from the movie Cars. And finally, we have our robot. This is Mira, and she loves the water.
Okay guys, time to transform.
Let's put this down. And this one up. And Mira is ready to save the day. And finally, we have color red. I can hear a lot of stuff in there. Here we go. Whoa, check this out. We have Lightning McQueen. And because he is Lightning McQueen, he is lightning fast. We also have in here Anger. And by his name, you know that he is always
Angry.
At the very back over here, we have one of our superheroes that wears a red outfit. This is the Flash. Just like Lightning McQueen, he is also super fast. A big surprise over here is our Strawberry Kiss Shopkin. And this is actually a rat's dispenser. So all we have to do is pull this one to the back. And she got a candy for us. Ooh, let's try that again. Ta-da! One more time. Awesome! Are you guys ready for the final surprise? Here he is! One of our Superwings characters too. He is going to be our question of the day. If you guys know his name, leave me a comment in the comment section telling me what it is. Let's transform him! Whoop! 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 Ta-da! And he's ready to save the day. He delivers packages on time, every time. Red. Green. Yellow. Blue. Brown. Orange. Woo! Pink. I hope you guys learned something today. I will see you on our next episode. It's Essie for Toys Unlimited. Goodbye!